Today, I'll show you how to book a Databricks exam on Webassessor. This process is designed to be straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through every step to ensure you feel confident and prepared. First, open your web browser and type in the URL webassessor.com/Databricks. This will take you directly to the Webassessor page dedicated to Databricks exams. Make sure you're using a reliable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the booking process. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your username and password to log in. If you're new to Webassessor, you'll need to create an account first. This typically involves providing some basic information and confirming your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your user dashboard. This is your main hub and starting point for managing your exam bookings and certifications. Now, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. Here, you'll see various options. Look for the tab that says Register for an exam and click on it. This section contains a comprehensive list of all available Databricks certification exams. Once you're in the exam registration area, you'll see an expandable list of certifications. These might include titles like Data Engineer Associate, Data Analyst Associate, or Machine Learning Professional, among others. Click on the category that aligns with your career path to expand it. This will reveal the specific exams available within that certification track. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred testing method. Webassessor typically offers multiple options, such as online proctored exams or in-person testing at a designated location. Consider which method best fits your schedule and learning style. If you're opting for an online exam, ensure your computer meets all technical requirements and you have a quiet, distraction-free environment for testing. After selecting your testing method, it's time to schedule your exam. You'll be prompted to select a date and time that works for you. Webassessor provides a calendar view, making it easy to see available slots. Be sure to choose a time when you can be fully focused and prepared. Once you've set your date and time, the next step is to proceed with payment. Webassessor will guide you through the payment process, which is secure and straightforward. Depending on your region and the specific exam, you may have various payment options available. Double-check all payment details to avoid any issues. And there you have it. You've successfully booked your Databricks exam on Webassessor. Before the exam date, it's a good idea to review any study materials or practice tests you've gathered. Make sure you're familiar with the exam format and requirements to boost your confidence on the day of the test. By following these steps, you can efficiently schedule your Databricks certification exam and take one step closer to advancing your career in the field of data analytics and engineering. If you have any questions or run into issues, Webassessor's support team is available to help. Good luck with your exam, and remember to stay calm and focused on test day. You've got this.